Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a mono laser printer that keeps getting paper jams during printing. Take a look. The printer shows signs of jerky movement while printing, and the paper comes out with horizontal creases. The printout is jammed. It seems the fuser unit is not rotating smoothly. A worn gear or slipping fuser film could be causing the uneven motion and paper creasing. Therefore, I'll disassemble the fuser assembly to inspect it. First, take off the plastic side panels on both sides. Now, take off the top cover. Unplug all connectors linking the fuser unit to the power supply board. Next, remove the 3 screws and lift the fuser unit out. Alright, let's take the fuser unit apart. This part is the fuser film assembly that contains the heating rod. Since the heat-resistant grease has dried out over time, the fuser film can't rotate smoothly, which leads to paper jams and printing errors. All I need to do is remove the fuser film, clean it up, add some new grease, and the printer will run smoothly again. Wow, looks like this end of the fuser film is damaged. I'll go ahead and install a new one. Wipe off the old grease using a soft cloth. And apply a fresh, thin coat of heat-resistant grease evenly across the heater surface. Now, install the new fuser film sleeve. Ensure the fuser film is installed in the proper direction to avoid malfunction. Reassemble the fuser unit carefully. Turn the gear by hand to ensure the fuser film rotates correctly. Looks good. Now I'm going to install the fuser assembly back into the machine. The printer has been reassembled. Let's do a test print. Everything's working great again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.